I always hear scary noises in my basement. Every creak and whisper seemed amplified in that chilling silence as my imagination began to run wild. I felt compelled to investigate, my heart pounding as I took a cautious step down into the ominous darkness. As I opened the box, a wave of musty air hit me, and the pages of the diary were filled with strange, unsettling stories. The words seemed to come alive, and I couldn't shake the feeling that I was not alone in the basement. With every passing moment, the whispers grew louder, beckoning me toward the door that seemed to pulse with an otherworldly energy. I took a deep breath, steeling myself to uncover the secrets that lurked behind that ominous door. As I stepped inside, an overwhelming chill enveloped me, and I could hear my heartbeat echoing against the silence. The air was thick with the weight of forgotten memories, and I couldn't shake the feeling that I had just crossed into a realm where the past refused to fade away.